Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how Outlook rules can transform the way you manage emails, helping you reclaim valuable time from your busy workday. We'll cover 6 essential Outlook rules you can set up right now to automate your inbox and boost your productivity. Let's begin by exploring one of the most useful time-saving rules: automatically forwarding and archiving emails. If you regularly receive emails intended for other teams, like monthly invoices that need to go directly to your accounts department, you can automate this entirely. Without automation, forwarding and archiving each email might take about 30 seconds each time. By setting a rule in Outlook, you can eliminate this repetitive task. Simply create a rule triggered by a sender's email, such as, for example, UT billing. Outlook will automatically forward this email to the accounts department and archive it immediately, so it never clutters your inbox again. Make sure to clearly name your rule, specify the sender's email as the condition, and select actions to forward and archive. Choosing the option, "Stop processing more rules," ensures Outlook won't apply additional unnecessary actions. Moving forward, let's look at prioritizing important emails. Not all emails deserve immediate attention. Some, like promotional sales, can distract you from urgent messages from managers or clients. You can create an Outlook rule marking messages from key individuals, such as your direct supervisor or critical clients, with high importance. This ensures their emails are clearly visible and prioritized accordingly. Another great automation involves deleting unwanted emails. If you regularly receive recurring emails, such as system notifications that don't concern you, you can set up an Outlook rule to instantly delete these emails. Define the rule based on phrases in the subject line, such as system notifications, and Outlook will send these directly to your deleted items folder, keeping your inbox clean and distraction-free. Newsletters, though sometimes insightful, frequently disrupt workflow. By setting a rule that identifies emails containing keywords like unsubscribe, you can automatically archive these newsletters and categorize them under a newsletter tag. Later, at your convenience, you can easily review these without interruption during your workday. Emails where you're CC'd or BCC'd usually don't require immediate action and can clutter your main inbox. Creating a rule to automatically move these to a dedicated folder allows you to check them periodically, keeping your inbox reserved for high-priority communications. Lastly, you can use Outlook rules to pin essential emails, like those regarding taxes or compliance, at the top of your inbox. By creating a rule that detects specific senders or keywords, important emails remain prominently visible and easily accessible. By leveraging these 6 simple Outlook rules, you can significantly streamline your email management and regain control over your inbox. Thanks for joining today's demonstration. Happy emailing!